Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Daily use English vocabulary.
Who is this? She is a teacher. Who is this? She is a doctor. Who is that? She is an artist. Who is he? He is a dentist. What is that? It is a kite. What is this? It is a chair. Who is this? He is a photographer. Who is he? He is a police officer. What is this? It is a school bag. Who is she? She is a librarian. What is this? It is a watch. Who are they? They are doctors. What is that? It is a puppy. What is this? It is a camera. Who are they? They are actors. What is that? It is a car. Who is she? She is a musician. Who is this? She is a lawyer. Who is he? He is a pilot. Who are they? They are siblings. What is that? It is a tree. Who is that? She is an artist. What is this? It is a computer. Who are they? They are musicians. What is that? It is a cat. Who is she? She is a chef. What is this? It is a pen. Who are they? They are students. What is that? It is a bicycle. Who is he? He is a firefighter. What are those? They are hangers. Who is this? She is a scientist. What is that? It is a guitar. Who are they? They are friends. What is this? It is a flower. Who is that? He is a journalist. What are those? They are keys. Who is she? She is a nurse. What is this? It is a smartphone. What is this? It is a birthday cake. What is this? It is a rainbow. What are those? They are balloons. What is this? It is a laptop. What is this? It is a swimming pool. What is this? It is a traffic lights. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.